Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. In miscellaneous exercise, question number 10, I am going to discuss today. Right children? The sum of the perimeter of a circle and square. The sum of the perimeter of a circle and square is K. What is perimeter of a circle? Anyone? Yeah, very good. 2 pi r. What is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is 4a. Right? The sum of the perimeter of a circle and square, that means 2 pi r plus 4a equal to k. The first statement will give you the result as 2 pi r plus 4a equal to k. Then what they are asking to prove, you see, sum of their area is, sorry children, least, right? Sum of the area is least. Least means what? Minimum, right? Sum of the area is least. Sum of the area is least when the side of a square is double the radius of the circle. Double the radius of the circle. First, we are going to convert the statement into the mathematical format, right? First, solution. Let x be the side of a square. Side of a square, right? You are assuming, using the variable we used to assume, right? And r be the radius of the circle. Or be the radius of a circle, right? Radius of a circle. Now, perimeter of a circle or circumference, both are same meaning, right? Perimeter of a circle equal to 2 pi r units, right? Perimeter of a square equal to 4a units. What it is given? 4a, that can be, here we are assuming a as x, so 4x units, right? Now, what it is given in the first statement? Sum of the perimeter of a circle and a square. So, sum of the perimeter means you want to add 2 pi r plus 4x equal to k. Now, x is equal to k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. X is equal to k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. The next statement, what it is given? Areas, right? Area of a square, what is the formula? Area of a square is a square. Here your a is x, so area of a square equal to x square. Area of a square, right? Now, area of a circle. Area of a circle equal to pi r square, right? Pi r square. Here you have to do one small correction. Instead of a, you write area of a square first, right? Now, it is easy for your understanding purpose, right children? Area of a square. Area of a square. Now they said sum of their areas. So A equal to x square plus pi r square. X square plus pi r square. Now x can be replaced by k minus 2 pi r divided by 4 the whole square plus pi r square, right? Plus pi r square. Now using a minus b the whole square identity, you are going to expand the first bracket, right children? A equal to 1 by 16. Denominator 4, when you square it, you will get it as 1 by 16 bracket k square minus 4 pi r k 2ab plus 4 pi square r square plus pi r square plus pi r square. Now you are going to differentiate with respect to r. Differentiate because the k is constant, r only is there, the variable. Differentiate with respect to r. Now, dA by dr equal to 1 by 16. The first term, it acts as 0. Next one, minus 4 pi k. Next one, 8 pi square r. 8 pi square r plus 2 pi r. Plus 2 pi r. Now you are going to equate with 0. dA by dr equal to, we are going to simplify first. Minus pi k by 4 plus 1 by 2 into pi square r plus 2 pi r plus 2 pi r. Got it children? You are simplifying. Using the 16 you multiply, right? 1 by 16. What you arrive? 2 pi r minus k minus pi k by 4 plus 1 by 2 pi r square, right? The first term, it is a constant. You keep as such, you don't disturb anything. The next two only we are going to take r as a common, right? Now you see dA by dr equal to here alone you are going to take r as common. Then what should be the rest? 1 by 2 pi square plus 2 pi plus 2 pi minus pi k by 4 minus pi k by 4. Got it? Now you are going to equate with 0. Equate with 0. R into pi square by 2 plus 2 pi minus pi k by 4 equal to 0. Second step, you have to equate the derivative with 0. Then only you can get the critical point. Next, the pi k by 4, you will shift to the opposite side. Right, children? Now, pi here r into pi square by 2 plus 2 pi equal to pi k by 4. Pi k by 4. Now, r equal to, first you should simplify, you write, you keep as such. R equal to pi k by 4 divided by 2 pi plus pi square by 2. Pi square by 2. I didn't do anything. The bracket, it will act as a denominator in the opposite side. That's all I did, right? You don't think that I did somewhat different. No. The bracket I shifted to the opposite side. That's all, children. Right. Now r equal to the denominator 4. First I will simplify the denominator, then I can explain to you. Pi k by 4 divided by 4 pi plus pi square divided by 2. The 2 it will go to the numerator. The 4 it will come to the denominator. Right. Now 2 pi k. Am I right, children? 2 pi k divided by 4 is there, right? 4 fours are 16 pi plus 4 pi square, right? The 4 is common for both the terms. Now I am going to take 2 pi as common. What I am going to take? 2 pi as common in the denominator, or equal to 2 pi k divided by 2 pi bracket 8 plus pi. Now you see 2 pi cancel, or equal to k by 8 plus pi is a critical point. Right, children? Now I am going to find out what is the second order derivative. Right? What is the second order derivative? First you should write your first order, then only it is easy to differentiate. Right? First order, what it is? First order derivative dA by dr equal to 1 by 16 into minus 4k pi plus 8 pi square r plus 2 pi r, right? Plus 2 pi r. Now d square a by dr square equal to the first term. It will act as 0. The 1 by 16 is common. 0 plus 8 pi square plus 2 pi plus 2 pi. Now use 16 and multiply. What can you get? You see 1 by 16, 8 pi square plus 2 pi, which is equal to pi square by 2 plus 2 pi, right? 8 ones are 8 twos are. Pi square by 2 plus 2 pi. Here there is no r. Everything it is positive. Directly you can conclude, right? These at or equal to k by 8 plus pi d square a by dr square greater than 0. Greater than 0. That means what can you say? The area is minimum. The area is minimum. Therefore, area is minimum. Area is minimum at or equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi. 8 plus 2 pi. Got it, children? Already we found a critical point, right? I will show you. The critical point, what we got? Sorry. The critical point. Sorry, children. The critical point. The critical point k by, sorry, k by 8 plus 2 pi. Sorry, 8 plus 2 pi. 8 plus 2 pi. Right. 1 minute. I will erase and write it here. Then only it is clear to you. Right, children? I will erase and write. Sorry, ma. 8 plus 2 pi. Because 2 only I took it as a command. Right here 4 is there. So 8 plus 2 pi. That when you substitute in the second order derivative, it is greater than 0. So the area is minimum at r equal to k by 2 pi. At r equal to k by 2 pi. One more thing we want to prove, right? Which one you want to prove? The side equal to 2 times radius. Right? The side equal to 2 times radius. What is your x? X is equal to k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. This is your x. Already we got, right? Now we are going to apply the r value. Next line, x is equal to k minus 2 pi into k by 8 plus 2 pi divided by 4. X is equal to, right? Now divided by 4. Now you are going to take LCM first. In the numerator, 8k plus 2 pi k minus 2 pi k divided by 4 into 8 plus 2 pi. 4 into 8 plus 2 pi. Now you see the numerator 2 pi k, 2 pi k cancel. Then what can you arrive? X is equal to 8k divided by 4 into 8 plus 2 pi. See 4, 4. 4 twos are 4 ones are. So what can you arrive? 2 into k by 8 plus 2 pi. Right? 2 into k by 8 plus 2 pi. See here that 8 plus 2 pi, k by 8 plus 2 pi is replaced by what? R. So side equal to double the radius. Side equal to double the radius. Double the radius. Side is equal to double the radius. They say sum is least. Okay. Now we are going to end the solution in the format. Hence, sum is least. That area, sum of the area is least. Right. Sum is least. Sum of the areas is least or S is least when side of a square is double the radius of a circle. Double the radius of the circle. Right, children? You got it? What I said? They said the sum of the areas is least when the side of a square is double the radius of the circle. We proved side equal to double the radius. Right, children? You got it? Yeah. Thank you, children.